This video demonstrates how to place an interlibrary loan request. If a resource you want to use shows held by other libraries worldwide, or is checked out from the McGraw-Page library, it can be sent to Randolph-Macon College through Interlibrary Loan. To request an item, click on the title and click on the Request via Interlibrary Loan button. This process is identical for requesting articles or other materials. Log into your account. Confirm the information that has been imported into the form. You can edit the form if necessary. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Submit Request. You'll be taken to your account details screen and can see that the request has been placed successfully. If working from an existing citation, you may want to request an item directly without first locating it in a database. Go to My ILL Requests. Click Create Request, and then select the format you want to request. Enter as much citation information as you have for the item, and make sure that your contact information is correct. Then click Submit Request. You will again be taken to the Account Details screen and can confirm the request has been placed. Thank you for watching this tutorial.